Viggo Mortensen, l'acteur du film. Et enfin, Ed Harris, le réalisateur.
C'était l'événement de ce festival. Tous les fans s'étaient amassés en nombre devant la salle de conférence en attendant leur arrivée. Viggo Mortensen et Ed Harris étaient venus présenter leur nouveau film, Appaloosa.
Men like us do gun work because we can. Because we're better at it than most.
You're as good as Virgil with a gun?
I've never seen anybody as good as Virgil.
You know, my friendships with men have always been very important to me. I grew up playing sports, you know, and there was a group of guys, three guys that I played ball with when I grew up in New Jersey, and still really close to them, you know, like really 45 years later. There's something about being with someone that, you know, other than your spouse, that you feel totally comfortable with, that you've shared experiences with, that you trust explicitly, that if you were ever in trouble, you would count on them to help you get out of it, that you appreciate their sense of humor, what they think about, their way of looking at the world, and there's an unspoken camaraderie there, unspoken affection. And I very, very consciously wanted to create an atmosphere and a film that paid homage to the classic westerns of the past. I was not interested in any way, shape, or form in trying to modernize anything or to shoot it in a way that would, you know, help the younger generation watch it because it was cut so quickly or bam, 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 bam. You know, I really wanted it to take its time. I wanted the film to move, the story to move along, but I really wanted it to take its time within that.
I knew how to ride horses. I had to get to know this horse a little bit, but I liked the period, you know, of the classic Western, 1860 to 1890, where our movie takes place in 1882. And, you know, I grew up, like a lot of kids, watching Westerns and watching Western TV shows. I'm old enough that they were still making lots of Westerns when I was a kid, and there were a lot of Westerns on TV. C'est vrai que notre film, c'est un bon fils dans la tradition du Western, le genre classique du Western. Le conte s'agit jusqu'à certains points de la fin de la frontière de l'Amérique du Nord, selon les Européens. Mais il s'agit aussi de la fin d'une certaine liberté personnelle et dans notre relation. Et je pense que ça va être toujours intéressant et actuel dans le cinéma.
Merci beaucoup. La conférence de presse est terminée.
Ese es San Lorenzo de Almagro, si quieres saber, che. Cuervo campeón.
Hey, back off! Back off! Back off!
Doucement, on va signer tout pour tout le monde.
Viggo!